students, welcome back to your favorite channel Learning Point. Now today we are going to start with part 2 of sentence, that is subject and predicate. So basically a sentence is made up of two parts, that is first is the subject and the second is the predicate. Now if we go according to the definition of a subject, then a subject is a word or a phrase in a sentence that shows who or what does the action. Now what does it mean? So if I say he is going, means he is the subject in the sentence and is going is the predicate in the sentence. What is a predicate? So the predicate is the part of the sentence that tells us something about the subject. Now make a note that the predicate always contains the verb in it. Usually the subject occurs before the predicate. For example, her own friends had turned against her. Here, her own friends is the subject, had turned against her is the predicate. So basically here the subject came before the predicate. Now sometimes, however, the subject occurs after the predicate also. For example, up into the blue sky soared the bird. Up into the blue sky soared is the predicate here and the bird is the subject which is after the predicate. Now it can also happen that it comes in the middle of the predicate. For example, the route I will try to explain. Here I is the subject which is in between the predicate, that is will try to explain the route. Now there are some examples which I am giving for practice. So students can practice with me so that they learn also and they can try even whatever I have taught they understood or not. So we'll proceed with the examples. The crew were waiting impatiently for orders from him. In this question we have to underline the subject and the predicate both. So here the crew is the subject and were waiting impatiently for orders from him is the predicate. Here the predicate is having helping verb, that is were. The next example is the young crow had fallen from its nest. Here the young crow is the subject and had fallen from its nest is the predicate. There is some exercise where you have to underline the subject in the following sentences. So first example, her own friends had turned against her. So basically here her own friends is the subject. In the second example, the second day's attraction was the circus on the moon. So here the second day's attraction is the subject. Example is from my school I will try to borrow. Here I is the subject. Next example is this trip to the moon was exorbitantly expensive. Here the subject is this trip to the moon. The next example is the dome-shaped settlements on the moon resembling the igloos of the Eskimos were now visible. Here the subject is the dome-shaped settlements on the moon resembling the igloos of the Eskimos. Here we have finished with the first exercise where we have to underline only the subject. Now we will proceed on with the question 2 or the exercise number 2 where we have to underline only the predicate in the given sentences. Now the first example is the lion has invited you to live at his court. Here has invited you to live at his court is the predicate. Next example, high up in the cooler air flew the vulture. Here, high up in the cooler air flew is the predicate. Next example, he was Mr. Duncan Ross, a representative of the Red-Headed League. Here, was Mr. Duncan Ross, a representative of the Red-Headed League is the predicate. Next example, they would be able to enter the bank without breaking open the doors of the bank. Here, would be able to enter the bank without breaking open the doors of the bank is the predicate. The next and the last example for this question is Holmes handed over Mr. Clay to the policeman. Here, handed over Mr. Clay to the policeman is the predicate. So students, I hope that you would have understood the difference between the subject and the predicate, how the subject works and how the predicate is detected, and how the whole sentence is made by just dividing these sentences into two parts, that is subject and the predicate. Now I have an activity for you just as match the pair type. So you have to underline basically the subject and the predicate by just matching them by the columns. Friends, in this question, in column A, you are given the subject and in column B, you are given the predicates. So I will just read out the column A first. That is, first one, a peacock. The second is the gardener. Third one, everyone in the village. Fourth, my son and his cousin both. Fifth, the camel's hump. Sixth, an asteroid. Seventh, the mosquitoes. Eighth, the information. Ninth, the island. And 10th is the principal herself. Now here we finish up with column A, which consists of all the subjects. Now we have to match these subjects with the predicates given in the column B. So now I will read out column B. A, study in the school. B, may strike the earth. C, are a nuisance. D, was perched on a coconut tree. E, was an enchanted island. F, is given in the form of articles. G, likes to see mythological plays. H, prepared the formal invitation for the parents. I, is a useful lump. And the last J, knows when to water the garden. Now, these two columns are given to you and you have to match the columns according to subject and the predicate. So further, I'll give you the answers to these. I will give you the answers for this match the column. So first answer is, a peacock was perched on a coconut tree. The second is, the gardener knows when to water the garden. The next answer is, everyone in the village likes to see mythological plays. The next answer is, my son and his cousin both study in this school. The next answer is, the camel's hump is a useful lump. The next answer is, an asteroid may strike the earth. The next answer is, the mosquitoes are a nuisance. The next answer is, the information is given in the form of articles. The next answer is, the island was an enchanted island. The next and the last answer is, the principal herself prepared the formal invitation for the parents. Now here we finish up with this topic of subject and predicate. I hope you would have understood everything and you liked the video also. So if you like the video, just subscribe it and like it and share as much as you can. Also hit the bell icon so that you get notified for the new videos uploaded by me. Friends, stay home and keep learning.